Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. Today we will introduce you to our new IPR paradigm and the new render panel available in the newest version of Maverick Studio and Indie. We will be using a model we downloaded from Sketchfab. The link is in the description. As you already know, the IPR is our interactive progressive render window, which now runs permanently in ultrafast mode for ensure great responsiveness. To the right you can find icons for camera navigation actions such as pan and zoom. You can also find our new navigation cube. Bear in mind that you can select the navigation keyboard and mouse binding that you feel most familiar with from the Start panel. To the left you can find the IPR tools. Those allow you to select and move objects, blow up the render frame, reveal the technical viewport views, and more. We have also added a button to toggle the nvidia AI denoiser from the IPR directly. And last, we have a button to take a quick snapshot of the IPR. Now let's go to the new render panel and play with the render resolution. We have added print-friendly attributes so you can control the image resolution in pixels, centimeters, millimeters, and inches. As we change the resolution, the IPR adjusts its own aspect ratio. This is because we have enabled Keep Aspect from Still Frame settings in the Globals panel. Now let's place and save our camera. And set a high resolution for a final quality render. Let's also enable the AI denoiser in this case. In Output Settings we define where we want to save the image, and in what format. If we opt for the draft render option, we will get a render at half the resolution we defined. This comes handy for quick validation previews. For the full resolution image, use Final Render. Keep in mind that there is no strict need to wait for the render process to finish. You may stop and save as soon as you feel that the image is clean enough. As you can see, the latest release of Maverick streamlines the way to manage interactive resolution, render resolution, and final render settings. Last, but certainly not least, we will introduce you to a new feature that we mentioned earlier. The blow-up tool can be used to pan and zoom through the render frame, without moving the camera position or settings. Blowing up is extremely fast and brings you an incredibly powerful way to inspect scene details at super high resolution. This way you can fire up a final render confidently after you subject the key areas of your image to close inspection. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.